If you've ever dreamed about becoming a digital nomad or an online entrepreneur, then trading cryptocurrencies is a great way to make extra money. But just like with any type of trading, whether you're trading stocks, options, commodities, forex, or anything else, making money trading cryptocurrencies is not easy and very risky, especially if you're a beginner, you don't have a huge startup capital, and you have no idea what you're doing. That's why in this video I want to show you how you can learn how to trade cryptocurrencies for absolutely free with no startup capital of your own. And if you watch the video till the end, you'll get $25 to start trading. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit our website extrahyperactivenetwork.com to learn how you can live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. For those of you who are new to our YouTube channel, our brand, our network, let me introduce myself. My name is Paul, Extra Hyperactive, and I'm the creator of Extra Hyperactive brand, the only active lifestyle brand that helps people live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. And unlike other online gurus out there, I don't just make money online by teaching others how to make money online. I actually run my own businesses, online as well as offline. And I only share my personal knowledge, experience, and expertise. That's why right away I'm gonna tell you that by no means I'm some kind of a financial advisor or even a crypto expert. First of all, I'm a business owner, an entrepreneur, and an online marketer. For me, cryptocurrency, first of all, is a payment method to receive payments for my products, services, and information that I sell online as well as offline. Also, for me, cryptocurrency is an asset and investment that I firmly believe will grow in value over the time. And finally, just recently, cryptocurrency trading has become an additional way for me to make extra money online to support my own lifestyle. And as I've just said, even though I don't consider myself to be a crypto expert, I'm more than happy to share my passion for cryptocurrency and my personal experience and expertise with those who want to learn how to build their own financial freedom. In my previous video, I shared 3 US-based online platforms where anybody can buy their first cryptocurrency. If you haven't had the chance to watch it, click on the link in the video or in the description below. But at the time of shooting that video, I didn't have a chance to use the platform that we'll be talking about in this video. Not only it's a great platform to buy your first cryptocurrency, but it's also a great place to learn about cryptocurrency trading for absolutely free. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in. eToro is a social trading and multi-asset brokerage company that focuses on providing financial and copy trading services. It has registered offices in the United Kingdom, the United States, Cyprus, Israel, and Australia. And as I said in my previous video, before you join any cryptocurrency exchange, make sure that exchange is eligible in the state you live in. So before you create an account with eToro, make sure that your state is eligible to participate. Creating your account with eToro is very fast, very easy, and absolutely free. In this video, I'm not gonna go over how to create your account and how to use eToro because it's very easy and there's already tons of tutorials created on YouTube. The main reason I'm so excited about this platform is because it allows you to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies for absolutely free with their virtual money. So let's go ahead and jump into the back office so I can show you how to trade cryptocurrencies very easy, very fast with eToro's virtual funds. Once again, because it's a short video, I'm not going to go into too many details. I'm just going to show you how easy and how much fun it is to learn how to make money trading cryptocurrencies on eToro. Once you've created your account and you log in, make sure that the first thing you do is to switch from your real profile to a virtual profile. Every virtual account gets 100,000 virtual dollars to start trading. As you can see, I started with 100,000 virtual money just like everybody else, and I've made $743.70 in just a few trades. And now I'm going to show you how I did it. It's super easy and a lot of fun. But first, let me explain the very basic idea behind trading, whether you're trading stocks, options, commodities, cryptocurrencies in this case, or anything else. And the idea is very simple: buy low, sell high. And that's all you need to know about making money trading cryptocurrencies right now. So let's go ahead and see how I use this basic principle, and so can you. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you are in virtual profile. Then go to trade markets, and as you can see, there are a bunch of cryptocurrencies, but we'll be focusing on Bitcoin, and the reason for that is because it's very volatile. It goes up and down 24 hours a day, and there are a lot of opportunities to buy the so-called dip when Bitcoin goes down. And it's very easy to buy. All you have to do is just click on the buy button, and right here you see the amount, how much you want to spend, and right here we see the current price. And again, the price, even when you're in virtual profile, the price is the real life price for Bitcoin. And even though you have $100,000 in the beginning, just to get the taste of how this software works and how you understand Bitcoin and trading, keep it low. I started with like $5,000-$10,000. So for the sake of this video, let's just use $5,000. We want to buy $5,000 worth of Bitcoin at this price, and we hope that it will go up to let's say 15,400, right? And we're gonna open trade. We're gonna go back to our profile, and we can see that the trade was open, and the only thing left for you to do is go back and update. As you can see right here, you have two options. You can enter the amount right away when you think that Bitcoin will reach and you want to take profit. So let's say we want to sell it at 15,400. Another option you have here is to put your stop loss. In other words, you want to sell Bitcoin before it goes down below the price that you paid for it. But right now we'll just focus on taking profit, because like I said, it's very, very simple, and chances are that in the beginning that's the only thing that you want to focus on. We're gonna update it, and that's pretty much it. That's all you need to do. As you can see, I have two trades open, but the idea, as I've just said, is very easy: buy low and sell high. So in this case, we hope that it will go, Bitcoin will go back up to 15,400, and we'll make some money. The main idea, the whole idea behind buying and selling cryptocurrency is knowing when that dip, when Bitcoin goes down, when it happens. And that's why you need to spend a lot of time doing what they call fundamental analysis, basically listening to people that talk about what's happening outside cryptocurrency markets and how those events affect Bitcoin, because that's right now, that's how Bitcoin reacts. Whenever something happens, it goes up. Whenever something happens, it goes down. So when you can identify those dips and you can buy low, then you will be able to sell high and make money. Very, very easy. As you can see right here, let's have a look at some of my trades before. As you can see, I started only in November, beginning of November, and as I told you, I started with just 5,000 here, 5,000 here, then I made a little bit of money, then I started getting a hold of this whole software. It's like I said, it's very easy and a lot of fun. And then I was spending 20,000 here, 10,000 here, 20,000 here, and profit. So if you know what you're doing, trust me, you will be able to make money. But as I said in the beginning of this video, you need to have at least the basic knowledge of cryptocurrency trading. And as I've just showed you, it's very easy. And most important, you need to pay attention to what's happening to Bitcoin in real life. And based on that information, you will be able to track when it goes down and it goes up. But if you're able to identify these dips when Bitcoin goes down, and you can buy those dips and then sell higher, that's how you make money. Like I said, very, very easy. Now you could say that I was lucky making all those trades, but I believe I made that virtual money because I knew what I was doing. And that's why if you're new to crypto trading, chances are you won't be able to do the same even with virtual money. But here's another awesome thing about eToro, especially for those who are new to crypto trading. eToro is much more than just a place to trade. Its award-winning social trading feature called CopyTrader allows you to find, connect, and copy top performing crypto traders in the world. CopyTrader allows you to view what real traders are doing in real time and copy their trading automatically. That's why I believe eToro is the best crypto trading platform to use for absolute beginners to learn. This is very important. This is not just for you to make money, it's to learn how to make money trading cryptocurrencies. And finally, as I promised in the beginning of this video, if you decide to create an account with eToro, you will get $25 to start trading in real time. $25 real dollars, so you can start trading right away. I provided a link below which you can click, and both of us will get $25 each. And who knows, maybe you will be one of those lucky people who turns $25 into hundreds, thousands, or maybe even millions. In conclusion, as you just saw, using eToro software is super easy and a lot of fun. But if you're an intelligent person, you know what they say. If it was that easy, everybody would be doing that. And that's why this is the most important part of the video. If you don't educate yourself about cryptocurrency and the technology behind cryptocurrency, if you don't learn at least the basics of trading, if you don't develop psychology necessary to be a successful trader, there's absolutely no way you will be able to make money trading cryptocurrency or anything else for that matter. And most important, people like Warren Buffett and Martha Stewart have made millions and billions of dollars in the stock market, not because they were great traders, but because they had information not available to masses. That's why one of my favorite business quotes says, information is the most valuable commodity. So if you're looking for more information on how to make money trading cryptocurrencies, make sure you subscribe to our newsletter and join our secret Facebook group for like-minded people who want to live a happy, healthy, and adventurous lifestyle without the financial burden. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.